Good morning, guys! Today we're gonna do a little experiment and I'm gonna use the same colors on both canvases, but the first one I'm gonna blow with my blow dryer and the other one I will be doing mouth blown. And I just saw this painting. I made it in 2018 and it was day 42 of my 100-day project. Still for sale, by the way, but I love these colors. So today I'm gonna use these colors and they're yellow, violet red, Van Dyke brown, and this is gold, but I'm gonna use copper in this one. So let's see what will be the difference. I think it will make a big difference with the blow dryer or mouth blown, but we will see. Okay, I'm gonna start with the white base on both canvases. Okay. So this one is gonna be the one with the blow dryer. Let's torch the air bubbles. And let's start making puddles. Let's start with the yellow. Let's go in with something like brown. The violet red. Copper. A little bit of white. All right. So I'm starting with the white around this. And here as well. Let's start with the blow dryer. So that's this one. And this one I'm gonna blow out with my mouth. Okay, let's blow this one out. And now this one. Yeah, it's a big difference, of course. I like it. Okay, let's torch them. You know what I really love with this one is that the yellow is on the sides like this. And that's also because I poured in the yellow first for the puddle. This one is too busy here with the yellow. I like these cells here. Yeah, they're cool. So you see here, I don't have a lot of reach with my mouth, and this is so easily blown to the sides. I like them both very much. So I like this one much more because the definition of the paint is better. Also there's much more contrast in this, so the colors really stay more the color that I poured in it. So I guess for these small canvases, and these are 8 by 8, I like the mouth blown better than the blow dryer. You have much more control here for composition as well. Yeah, I think also these cells are a bit messy here. I don't know why that happened. But what I love about this one, it's very soft. So with the mouth it gives harder edges, and here it's very soft. That's cool. So I think these cells are too messy here, so I'm gonna blow them out or away. That doesn't look nice. Yeah, I really like this one now. Much better. I don't know. It's a nice change to do Dutch pour with only the mouth instead of the White and Bright series, because that was so minimal. This is the first time I really blowed it to the edges. So looking at them a bit longer, I really love the blow dryer one much more than this one. So let's talk a bit about the differences. The blow dryer one gave a lot more run-off, drip-offs, and it's much softer than the mouth blown, because this is giving hard edges and more definition in the colors. I think that's pretty, but I love it better on the White and Bright series. And this one, yeah, it has more pretty cells, and yeah, so I'm very happy with this. Let me know which one you like best. And also I want to tell you that I'm doing digital workshops now. So if you are having trouble with painting or need some advice, you can set up a call with me, a video call, and you can go painting and I can give advice while you're painting, and just talk a little, and I can paint with you. That's also okay. So just send me an email about that, and of course it costs some money, but yeah, must be fun, right? Well guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video.